So line target 8.6. The basic area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So in this case, they're telling me the circumference and they want the area. Well, the circumference is equal to 2 times the radius times pi. It's also pi times the diameter, but if I want to find the area, eventually I need to know the radius. So 18 pi is equal to 2 pi r, just rearranging this. If I divide both sides by 2 pi to solve for r, the radius is 9. So the area is the radius squared pi, which means area equals 81 pi, don't forget your units, square centimeters. In this case, this shaded region is the area of the large circle and then subtracting out the area of the small circle to leave the shaded region. Well, that means the large circle's area would be 8 squared times pi, but subtract out the small circle, which is 2 squared pi. So 81 pi minus 4 pi leaves me with, sorry, not 81, I don't know why I'm thinking 81, 64 pi. So 64 pi minus 4 pi is 60 pi. There were no units on this, so I don't have to put units on my answer. Giving exact answers means leaving the pi in there and not punching 3.14 or even using the pi button on your calculator. Now, in this case, this is the segment of a circle. Notice how it's really this sector of the circle and then subtracting out the triangle. Well, that sector of the circle, so area of the sector, which they could also ask you to find on your test, well, it's 90 degrees over 360 degrees, which would be the entire circle, equals the area of the sector over the area of the whole circle, which is radius squared pi. So I end up with 1/4 equals a over 36 pi. So 4a equals 36 pi, which means the area of this whole sector, this whole thing, is 9 pi. The area of the triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height, which are the same because the base and the height are both radii of the circle, so that's 18. So I want to take the area of this whole sector and subtract out the triangle to get this segment that's left. So my area of my shaded region, my final area, is the 9 pi, which is the sector, minus the 18, which is the triangle, in parentheses because this whole thing has units of square centimeters. So this is my actual answer.